Your line of sight is removed, so you're outside of your social circle. Very easy to fall asleep. Once you do, you go further and further down. But it's at the perfect level that you don't have to use any energy. It's just totally passive positioning. Hi, my name is Matt, and I'm the Director of Global Business Development here at Karma. And today, I'm going to show you the wheelchair of the future, the Ergo 3. But before we step into the future, let's look to the past just so we can understand how we got here. Traditional seating. Fundamentally, for chairs or standard wheelchairs, we have a flat seating surface and then a uniform backrest. Could be at an angle just for additional comfort, but fundamentally we have two flat surfaces. So after a long days of work, you sit down, extremely comfortable to start. Eventually what happens is just gravity always wins, it's pushing down on you, and because this is just a flat surface, you start sliding. Also up here, if you have a weak upper body, you start to drop your shoulders and your head. Breathing becomes more difficult. Your line of sight is removed, so you're outside of your social circle. Very easy to fall asleep. Once you do, you go further and further down. What happens then? You develop long-term back pain and a worsening of your posture. And that'll just keep happening and happening and happening. It goes downhill from there. So the first thing we did to address this problem, our first way of revolutionizing seating, was the development of the S-Ergo seating system. It's not new, it's something we introduced many years ago. What it is basically is this seating system, it's not straight, it's lower here in the back and then higher in the front. And in between there's a nice even swoosh. So what that does is it matches the underside of the body. And when you're sitting down on a traditional flat seat, there's two bony points underneath. And those 2 points are getting all of the pressure built up, and that's how you develop a long-term pressure injury. But by matching the shape of the underside of the body, we can spread all of that pressure out to reduce that risk as low as we can. Up here in the front also, another neat effect of this is that there is a passive block here. Because it's higher, when your body has that tendency to slide, this is blocking you from sliding. So with that, we solve one of the problems, is that we're not sliding anymore. But still, you have that weak upper body level for people that are elderly. And over time, you're going to have that drop down. You have no lumbar support, shoulders drop, head drops, difficult to breathe, removed again. Things are getting worse and worse and worse. So what we developed, it was a solution, the best solution at the time, but not a perfect solution. With the Ergo 3, we believe we have the perfect solution. And that will allow us to leave the traditional seating of the past in the past forever. It all comes down to the backrest here. Now you might look at this and say, just looks like a normal backrest. But remove the detachable air mesh upholstery and you can start to see what I'm talking about. Right off the bat, you see there are two main angles here on the backrest. One is at your lumbar, lower back, and then this is coming back for additional comfort. Support, comfort. Pretty good, but that's not enough. You can't just have that and have additional support. That's why we developed our patented double S-Ergo system. So double S-Ergo because the first one is on the seat, next one is on the back. So you'll see there's two orange inserts here. Very easy to remove. Just push there in the bottom and you can slide it out of the top. And what these do is just add a little more stability and force here on the lumbar to just give that little bit of extra support that's necessary. And these are also asymmetrical. So when you turn them, it could be higher or lower. And because we have all these pockets here, we can make them more narrow or wide, just depending on the size and the comfort level of the user. So the idea here is that with this, plus you see there's 4 pieces of Velcro here that you can unstrap and tighten up. We can essentially create a custom backrest with this for the user. And what that will do will give them the perfect level of comfort and support. And let me just give you a demonstration of what that looks like. So as I sit down here, Very comfortable on the seat because of the S-Ergo. Not going to slide. And you can see this is perfectly here on my lower back. So what that means is, just lower this down. I'm sitting upright, my gaze is flat. I'm not using any energy. This is totally passive. And it's not just because of the backrest design. We've also adjusted the angle of the seat, raise it up a little bit, and the backrest has gone back a little bit. Now, it's not so much that you're lying down and falling asleep, but it's at the perfect level that you don't have to use any energy. It's just totally passive positioning. You're sitting upright. The physical problem has been addressed. The social problem has been addressed. It is the complete package. In fact, we've done a local study here in conjunction with a local rehabilitation center, and we surveyed users, wheelchair users, to figure out if this was really beneficial to them compared to traditional seating. Now, out of all the users that we surveyed, 100% said it was the same or better in every area. Beyond that, 80% reported an improved line of sight, 80% reported improved comfort, and 100% reported either reduction in lower back pain or reduction in lower leg numbness. So all of this together, we have a pretty special chair here. Now, there's even more, if you can believe it. Something very cool we've done, starting with the Agile series, but going to the Flex as well, now on the S-Ergo and Ergo Lite. All these orange pieces indicate movable parts on the chair. So we'll just start from the front and work our way back to show you what that looks like. Now with the footrest, there are two. One here, this is the footrest release lever. So if you're going to remove the footrests either to transport the chair or to transfer out of the chair onto another surface, you can just pull this up and that goes out or in. So if you're up against a bed or a chair, you can't go out, but you can still go in and you're able to get out of the chair. On top of that, we've now added tool-free length adjustment to further improve the fit of the chair for the user. So what that looks like is you will undo this safety clip here, push this down, and then you can either lengthen or shorten the length of the footrest. No tools. Okay. Moving back, we have this easy release for the armrest. One finger, as you can see, is enough to bring that up. Coming back here, we have our P&P, or push and pull brakes. So what that does is, if you're moving the chair and you need to slow down, you can slow, stop, and then to stop in place, push down to lock. Just like that. And the last thing is perhaps the coolest. This is our patented Ergo anti-tipper system. Now, anti-tippers are something that are as old as wheelchairs themselves. Essentially, it's a safety feature so the wheelchair user does not tip backwards in the chair. However, if you approach an obstacle, you need to get over that. So normally what happens is the caretaker would need to come down and use a push pin or even tools to remove the anti-tipper or turn it out of the way. But of course, this is troublesome because a lot of caretakers are a little up there in age. It's not so easy to come down here. But also you have the possibility to lose these, not ideal. So what we've done is create a foot-operated solution. So they're engaged right now and you've approached an obstacle. It's as easy as stepping down here on the back. Those are spring-loaded and come up. Then you can go over the obstacle. And then coming back down to show you. To re-engage, step up here on the top. Simple as that. We're back engaged. So, speaking of limitations for the caretaker, one of the main problems you have with standard manual wheelchairs is the total weight of the chair. This, like all of our other manual wheelchairs, is made with aircraft grade aluminum. So what we have is 11.9 kg, that's about 26 pounds. Very, very light, especially with all of the features you have built into this chair, but it also breaks down to just 8 kilograms. 17.5 pounds. So let me show you what that process looks like. First, we'll remove the footrests. We'll come back here now and fold the backrest. Now we will do the seat. And then lastly, the wheels, which have quick release axles. And while we're doing this, we do also offer a transport version with the 14-inch wheels. On this chair, what you see is the 24 for self-propelling. And here we are now down to the 8 kilograms or 17.5 pounds. And this is super lightweight, can go into the back of any car. And so that's about it. So what we have here, the wheelchair of the future, it solves the major physical limitation of standard manual wheelchairs. It addresses the social and mental aspect as well. Has a bunch of great features for the user and the caretaker. I'd say it's as close to perfect as you can get. So if you're interested, take a look at www.karmamedical.com and look for the Ergo 3. Thank you. My name is Matt. Have a beautiful day.